Okay, interweb, we're back. So now I want to give a comparison. So we got the original part right here. Now sliding over here, and this is the replacement. This is the remanufactured part. So look at the weld here. That's not gonna cut it. Okay, so when we're looking at when I look at that, you see it's welded up right there. It's not welded up on the sides like on the original. Over here on the bracket, the gauge on this metal is thinner, and that's kind of important here. So here we go. There, and then we look at the welds. That's a little like just sitting on there. And then you got this big gap and big gap, and then this is not really welded too well, but it is on the inside. It's decent. Then you got this little deal, nothing on the inside here, and then you got something here, and that just looks like it's sitting on top. So that's not gonna cut it. And I flip it around here. See, this is the original. You got the welds going up and around, nice. On the remanufactured part, you see the weld here, and there's pitting in it already, and there's nothing bracing here, nothing bracing here. So, and also I think there's a missing, there's something, a shaft in there or something, because that is way thicker than the so this is the bolt. There's the bolt. It slides in, and it's just super loose. Alright, so that's what we're working with on that. That part's going back, and these parts got these from Napa Automotive, so it's not on them, but oh, that's a transmission. That's a different one. Where's this one? I think it's this one here. That's what the box says for the engine mount. Alright, these aren't cheap either, man. So it's not like they're super expensive, but see, oh, look at that. I didn't even notice that. So you can see that. See how that's already kind of like chewed out right there. And there's a bracket, and then it's welded up. That ain't gonna work. Alright, so I'll deal with that. That kind of slows my output today, because I was ready to get into that. Anyways, let's see. And just to recap on yesterday, looks like election results are in, and that's it. Looks like folks trumped the vote there, so that's what that is. Gave you a couple stories yesterday. Today's gonna be lightweight. Let's see, on the crypto topic. Yeah, the Kryptonic, man. We could jump on that real quick, because all I'm saying is for just there's a lot going on with that, so just be aware with that one. And then there's some that are just set up different. It's not like when you go to a bank, they insure your deposit and they secure your deposit and all that stuff. But obviously, there's different ways to pay for stuff now. Like I said, I'm gonna call me a traditionalist as far as using cash. It's just easy. Sometimes simple is better. I don't know, but cards, debit cards. There's a lot of that. You just go swipe your card. That's pretty simple. It's secure, it's more or less. I mean. Yeah, and then there's like the Bitcoin and all that stuff. But dang, Bitcoin is, I think, going ballistic. It's way up there. So, it's kind of all about options and choices. So, do your homework, do your research. Don't listen to me. I'm just showing you what I see right here with these car parts, and giving you a little commentary on top of that. All right, folks. Did another one.